Hello guys. If your CenturyLink modem suddenly starts blinking a blue light and the internet does not seem to work the way it normally should, it can feel confusing, especially when you are unsure what the light actually means. Sometimes the CenturyLink modem keeps flashing blue during startup, while other times the blinking continues longer than expected and devices struggle to connect online. A situation like this can happen because of setup progress, temporary signal interruptions, cable issues, or modem communication problems that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many CenturyLink modem blinking blue light issues can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to understand why a CenturyLink modem is blinking blue and how to help fix common connection problems. Try these. Step 1. Observe the CenturyLink modem light pattern and wait briefly if startup just began. Step 2. Check cables connected to the CenturyLink modem and confirm everything stays secure. Step 3. Test devices connected to the CenturyLink modem if internet feels unstable or unavailable. Step 4. Restart the CenturyLink modem briefly to refresh the network connection properly. Step 5. Check the placement of the CenturyLink modem if signal behavior suddenly changed. Step 6. Recheck the CenturyLink modem and confirm the blue light returns to normal operation.